Good morning, friends. We are going on a jewelry photo shoot with my friend Kasia. We've picked a lovely location in the forest outside of Krakow, and I'm very excited to go because I haven't been on a photo shoot like this before. The weather is absolutely lovely. It's hot and a bit humid, but it should be nice and fresh in the forest. We're looking around and searching for the perfect location. We are especially interested in ferns, so hopefully there will be a spot with lots of them. And we got it! Now it's time to set up, get ready, and start taking photos. We found the perfect spot, so we are now getting dressed and getting ready. And Kasia's over there. And we'll start taking photos in a second. I'm all dressed up now, grabbed a little snack, and I'm just going to join Kasia because she found a lovely spot with lots of ferns for the first photo. Kasia found an awesome spot with lots of beautiful moss, which I love. The photos of this fox turned out absolutely fantastic. We're also taking some model photos to show how the jewelry looks like being worn and to show how it can be styled.
Jeszcze baletnice. Tu są baletnice dorysowane na tych kubach.
Nie! O, będziemy musiały zrobić fotę tam. Ja myślałam, że to... Przyznam się szczerze, z mojej perspektywy wygląda jak kupa ptasia.
Ja cię! Ale super! Jezu, ale ci jesteś.
Aw, Basia, still happy and oblivious as to what's about to happen. And here I slid down on my butt, and let me tell you, it was painful and left a mark.
Basia! To było za...
I'm smiling, but if you look closely, you can see the pain in my eyes. No, but seriously, climbing trees requires practice, and I've been reminded of how long it's been since I climbed any.
I almost forgot the camera. We were packed and we were about to leave. And I completely forgot the camera, but luckily I found it. The session was a success. You will see the photos because I will put them on the screen, but I am very happy. This is my friend Kasia, and I think that she's extremely talented and very good photographer. No, I'm really happy. Now we're packing because mosquitoes are horrible, so we're gonna go and get something to eat. It's going to be okay.
We were very tired, but very happy with how the photo shoot turned out, and I love the photos. It's a new day today, and I'm going to the museum in the Cloth Hall on the main square in Krakow. I love the paintings there, so I'm going to gather some inspiration for my work. Another gorgeous day, but not many left like this since the autumn has started. That's why I wanted to make the most out of this day and spend some time outside. I walked a bit because this area is so beautiful, but I also took a tram to travel the rest of the road. I just didn't want to be too tired before I got to the gallery. a little montage of the paintings that I love the most. I hope you will enjoy watching it. If you'd like to see more art like this, let me know in the comments because I'd love to share it with you. But right now I sat down on the terrace and had some tea, and I also planned some things and put them in my calendar to get organized. Before I left, I had one more stop in the gallery's shop to grab this beautiful notebook, and I also got a little pin. On my way, I also stopped in a local shop. I really like how it's decorated in a vintage style. I went to grab a bite in a little cafe that serves delicious sandwiches and paninis. It's called Magia Cafe. In English, it's magic. And I had a break before heading over to the library. I needed to renew my card, and I will be back soon to do some research on a few subjects. I know there wasn't a lot of jewelry making in this vlog, but there will be lots in the next one. I wanted to show you what I do when I'm not in my workshop. Now it's time to get home and get some rest and get ready for the next day. I hope you've enjoyed watching this one, and I hoped I will see you in the next one. Bye!